seconds from boarding the biggest cruise ship in the world.
The Social 100, the patio, and it's JJ Cruise. Hey! Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Guys, check these chairs out. This is awesome. Look at this. Oh my gosh, how cool, guys. Who's taking a selfie? You guys got a little shower. Look at this. It's beanbags. Is that a TV or is this just, oh, this is just like you hang out. Oh, the only way to get in here is with your team card. Oh, look, it overlooks.
This one area?
Yeah. First ice cream of the cruise.
And they have strawberry.
They have strawberry ice cream on the
And you're probably going to want to take this before it melts.
Strawberry ice cream. This is super amazing. How's the ice cream, Alex?
Good.
All right. So we're just waiting for Austin and Amanda to take a turn on the flow rider, and then we're gonna cruise around, see what else we can do. This is so exciting. Go. Okay. Heading over to the splash pad with the little kid area, and they're gonna go see an old teen counselor from the Odyssey and the Oasis of the Seas. So they are super excited. Look who it is. Hi, how are you? They were so excited. They were so excited to see you. Teens found Alejandra up on the top of the splash pad. How fun! We know her from the Oasis and the Odyssey of the Seas. She was the teen counselor there, and the kids knew she was going to be here, and they are so excited. How much fun! They are way too big for this area, but still. So much fun to run into old friends and old teen counselors. This is going to be an amazing week. They're loving it. Hey! Ah! Excuse me, sorry, my papers just fell out of my room.
Oh.
Hey everyone, we are on the Wonder of the Seas, stateroom 8272. I just got locked out of my room because the kids had the balcony door open and it blew it shut. So I'm just waiting for them to let me in and then we'll do a little tour. This is exciting. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So 8272, Wonder of the Seas. Here we go. Ocean view, balcony. Here we go, guys. Super exciting. We got one king bed here, and wow, bathroom's actually very big. Ooh, Austin, can you put the key card in the, looks like we have to use a key card. All right. Can you do the honors? All right. And now there is light. So you need to use the key card in order for the lights to be activated. Very nice bathroom. Very, very nice. And over here, right outside the bathroom, very nice closet, which we have our backpack. Can hang, also has some shelves and a safe. Two nice sized drawers. Oh, very big drawers actually this time. A little nightstand with phone, light. Here we go. Some hooks on the wall That's super cool. You can hang something there, hats, sunglasses. Very large flat screen TV. Very nice. And we've got the pull-out sofa bed. Let's see if we can pull it out. I'm not sure if we can do this yet or if we have to wait for our room steward.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hang on, guys. Sorry about that. All right. So, there we go. We've got the bottom part of the bed pulls out, and you've got the top bed, which is kind of nice because then during the day, you can just slide it back under. Well, you could try to. It's a little temperamental, it looks like. Let's see. Okay, so it's not very easy, but woo! It does push back in, which is super nice because then you can have your floor space, and we've got some dresser over here. Very nice with some deep drawers. Perfect. And the mini fridge. Very nice. All right, and the desk, vanity. It's probably got the lighted mirror. Let's see. Very nice, very nice.
Over here we have some extra masks too.
Ooh, very nice. All right. And here we are, outside.
Hello.
There's Amanda and Alex, two nice sized chairs with footstools. It's got the little bench to put your feet up on and a tiny little table. And which ship do we have out there, guys?
Celebrity Equinox.
We have the Celebrity Equinox. Hi, Benjel. We'll have to see if we can get you to go up and wave to us later. And that's it. All right. That is our tour. And the beautiful Fort Lauderdale. Very, very nice.
Hi guys, I hope you liked our video. If you did, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and hitting the notification bell. And make sure you share this video with your friends because it helps out a ton and it keeps the algorithm happy. Bye!